So Yuri, I've got your switch hooked up here. That's your switch that you sent me, okay? I've got another one here that I'm gonna show you. This is a good switch. This is the switch that you sent me that has a bad read. So let's take a look at the screen here, and I'm gonna read your EIS, clicking the read button up here. I'm gonna look down here, and you can see that it failed at position 2B. Reading failed position 2B. One more time. Reading failed position 2B. Okay, so now we have another switch hooked up, identical to yours. And we're going to look here. We're going to hit read EIS data, and you're going to see it reads all the way through nice and clean. One more time. So in this case, I'm going to recommend replacing this faulty reading EIS. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.